Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI.
And we just moved to a house with the perfect spot for a hammock. I got this one from AAAA and I absolutely love it because it is 100% cotton with bamboo. And they used a beautiful jacquard woven technique so it literally feels like a blanket from your abuela and it is so soft to the touch. It is a double hammock and it can hold 440 pounds. And the beautiful curved bamboo is also gonna help stabilize you. So not only is it pretty, but as you can see when she's climbing in, I barely rock back and forth. I love this company's message about taking a break in such a busy world. So go try it out. Just lay in a hammock and you will see how instantly therapeutic it really is.
So if you've been thinking about getting a hammock, check this one out. And that's my point of